Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix cannot remove Bluetooth device in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple error, and I give the multiple ways to fix this error. The first way is very simple. We just go to our keyboard and press Windows key and A key, and here we find our notification area. In our notification area, click on the flight mode, click on our flight mode, and our Bluetooth is off. Okay, if it is not work for you, then I give them another way. Another way is also very simple. Another way is just click on the start button. Click on the start button. Here just type services. Type services. Click on the services. In services, find device association services. Device association services. Right click on that and click on the restart. Click on the restart. It takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of your PC, and your Bluetooth problem is solved. Okay, the another ways, if this way is not work for you, then I give the another way. Another way is very simple. Right click on the your start button. Here we find device manager. Click on the device manager. Here is our device manager. In device manager, here we find Bluetooth. Just expand Bluetooth. Here we find our all Bluetooth. If you not find your device now, just click on the view. In view, click on the show hidden device. Click on the show hidden device, and your device is fine. Okay, and click on your device. Right click on it and click on the uninstall device. Uninstall it. It takes few minutes or few seconds depending on your machine's speed. After that, your Bluetooth is off from your device manager, and it is also off or removed from your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this problem in simple way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.